Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, I'll be basically dedicating it to a giveaway that I offered in the previous video. But because I didn't get a huge response in yesterday's video, because not a lot of people watched the end to the part where I actually mentioned the giveaway, so I decided to just make a whole video about it so more of you guys can enter. Because in yesterday's video, only 2 people entered the giveaway. So just to give you guys all a chance. And by the way, I'm doing this as a celebration for 5,000 subscribers. I want to thank each and every single one of you guys for subscribing to the channel and supporting me via comments and likes. I really do appreciate all those comments and the likes. They really do make my day. And just to say thank you, I decided I'm going to offer 2 $25 gift cards on Amazon equaling $50. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is simply subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't yet, and then comment giveaway in the comments section. And what I'll basically do is I'll use a random generator website. I'll give the people who entered yesterday's giveaway an extra raffle basically. So just to say thank you for staying to the end and watching the video part where I talked about the giveaway. So those people will get an extra raffle ticket, but for the people who comment giveaway in today's video, I'll enter all of your guys' name into a random generator, and I'll choose 2 of you as winners for the $25 gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and they'll be sent to your email as a digital gift card, so that'll be nice. And like I said before, all you have to do to enter is simply subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment giveaway in the comment section below. And that's basically all. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.